I'm Bilawal Bhutto Zerdari, and I'm the Foreign Minister of Pakistan. And I'm speaking to you today from the Meta offices in Singapore. And you may be asking what the Foreign Minister of Pakistan is doing at Meta. Well, we're the fifth largest country on the planet. But Meta has more users than we have people. You have 3 billion active users a month, 2 billion active users a day. So any foreign minister worth their salt would first engage with Meta. I'd like to say a big thank you to Team Meta for hosting me here in their offices in Singapore today, and for working closely with us and with the government of Pakistan in order to expand the scope and outreach of Meta, of Facebook, of Instagram, of WhatsApp in Pakistan. And we're very happy to report that as of today, Facebook, or Meta's star monetization feature, will be launching, and which will mean that people who use Instagram or Facebook, who put their posts up, their videos up, now, based on the number of likes they get, or the number of stars they get, they can actually earn money off the videos, the material that they're putting up on Facebook or on Meta. This is in addition to the work that Meta is already doing on women's empowerment, on women's entrepreneurship online, on digital literacy, and I'm very excited that we're finally going to see monetization start off Meta platforms in Pakistan. This is an exciting opportunity for the people of Pakistan who already are making good use of social media, and now they'll be able to earn money off the time they spend there. So thank you very much.